Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Golf. In this video I'll show you how to measure engine oil level. To measure engine oil level, take a look at the front of engine compartment. Firstly, park your car on flat surface and let it rest for 15 minutes. This will allow engine oil to flow down to reservoir. Next, remove the dipstick and clean it. Then, place it back, remove it and measure engine oil level. It should reach the top of these markings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.